Norma. What does this mean? Let's talk about it right now. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is norma. Norma. This is a Spanish noun and it means rule or norma. Norma is a feminine noun, so you can say la norma or una norma. The plural form is las normas or unas normas. Norma is something that you need to follow or obey, just like a rule. Now let's see a few examples using this Spanish noun. Este colegio tiene muchas normas estrictas. Este colegio tiene muchas normas estrictas. Hay que seguir las normas en el trabajo para evitar accidentes. Hay que seguir las normas en el trabajo para evitar accidentes. La sociedad tiene normas extrañas. La sociedad tiene normas extrañas. Esta es una norma básica que todos deben seguir. Esta es una norma básica que todos deben seguir. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you like this video. Please leave more examples in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!